Okay, so let's start with today's session, kids. So we were doing with inequalities, modulus related problems, okay, and आज भी हम वही करने वाले हैं, लेकिन ना थोड़ा हायर वर्जन में जाएंगे, ठीक है? तो शुरुआत करें किड्स?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
चलो ठीक है, तो काम चालू करते हैं किड्स. कोई आया क्या? चलो ठीक है. Okay, चलो let's start with today's work. Okay kids, so before I just go ahead, आपको मैंने कुछ सम होमवर्क दिए तो मैं फटाफट डिस्कस कर लूंगा आप लोग के साथ. उसके बाद कुछ एक छोटी चीज है, ऑफ कोर्स मैंने आपको 27 सम करवाया था, आप देख लो मैंने कैसे करवाया था. I had done this problem by two methods. If you can just observe, the first method was by proper observation. I could find that I could write this as, I could write one as minus of x minus 3 plus x minus 2. हाँ कि नहीं kids?
Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay, that I just checked it out, and then I found out mod is negative, so ये x minus 3 has to be negative, and mod of x minus 2 is x minus 2 only, so x minus 2 has to be positive, and then accordingly I got the answer. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
Sir.
Other method, which is the most important method, is this method, where what do we do is we equate this to 0 and we equate this to 0, so I got 2 and 3. And then देवाशीष लोखंडे, अपना ऑडियो बंद करो अगर आवाज आ रहा है तो, क्लास डिस्टर्ब होता है. Yeah, so this is 2 and 3. So I broke this sum into three parts. One is x less than 2, other is x between 2 and 3, and the third is x is greater than 3. And then for x less than 2, this is negative, and then automatically I got x as 2, but x2 does not belong to this case only, क्योंकि यहाँ पर less than 2 होना चाहिए था. तो automatically मैंने क्या किया, case 1 का जो भी आंसर उसको डिस्कार्ड कर दिया. केस 2 में जब मैं गया, केस 2 में x2 बिटवीन 2 and 3, सो 2 से ज्यादा है, 3 से कम है तो ये नेगेटिव होगा, 2 से ज्यादा 3 से कम तो ये पॉजिटिव होगा, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली आई गॉट 1 इज इक्वल टू 1. 1 इक्वल टू 1 का मतलब होता है जो भी आपका जो केस आपने लिया है, दैट एंटायर थिंग इज योर सॉल्यूशन. तो ऑटोमेटिक आई गॉट द आंसर इज 2 to 3. Third case में I took x is greater than 3. Now if x is greater than 3, automatically this got to be positive, this got to be positive, and then automatically I got x as 3. But यहाँ पर already I have taken x is greater than 3, तो यहाँ पर x3 तो हो ही नहीं सकता, तो इसको भी डिस्कार्ड कर दिया. So I got the answer as 2 to 3. Is it okay kids?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So let me take one more problem of the same category so that you get the confidence. तो ये similar problem मैंने लिया है. Okay, this is 38th problem I have taken. Similar है तो मैंने पहले ले लिया. Okay, so let's break this into intervals. I think method वही होगा. Equate to 0 तो यहाँ पर आ गया 3/2, और equate to 0 तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा -1. Is it okay?
Yes
Yes
sir.
sir.
So let's break into three parts. One will be x less than -1. दूसरा will be x is between -1 to 3/2, and तीसरा will be x greater than 3/2. Is it okay, kids?
Yes
Yes
sir.
sir.
Let me take case 1. Okay, so I'm taking case 1. Okay, and यहाँ पर x is less than -1. So let's work on it. चलो, सबसे पहले अगर x -1 से कम होगा तो पहला वाला टर्म नेगेटिव होगा. Do you agree?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Of course, तो पहला वाला पहला वाला x -1 से कम है तो ये नेगेटिव होगा, तो यहाँ पर आएगा minus of x plus 1. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
अगर x -1 से कम है तो this is also negative case. So if this is negative, I can write this as minus of 2x minus 3. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
Okay, दूसरा वाला भी अगर x -1 से कम है, this is also negative, I wrote minus, equal to 4. Okay, so now let's solve it. Minus x minus 1 minus 2x plus 3 equal to 4. Okay, minus 2x minus x will become minus 3x. Plus 3, this becomes plus 2 equal to 4. So I got minus 3x equal to 2. So I got x is equal to -2/3. Hey, -2/3, can this be the answer here? Can this be the answer for this interval?
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Harshil, yes sir.
Import कर देते ना उधर से.
Harshil,
Arey, sorry sir. No sir. No sir. This is greater. Sorry.
it should be less than -1.
Yeah, I saw the inequality.
So not possible only, right?
Yeah, sorry sir. Yes sir.
This case is not possible, right? क्योंकि -2/3 is greater than -1, है ना?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Not possible. ठीक है, cool. Let's go with case 2. Okay, मैं case 2 ले रहा हूँ. This time I'll take the interval from minus x less than equal to x less than equal to 3 by 2. I'm taking this interval. Okay, now in this interval, now x is greater than minus 1, so this got to be positive. तो पहला टर्म पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So पहला वाला पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. But x is between minus 1 to 3 by 2. और अगर minus 1 से 3 by 2 के बीच में रहेगा तो ये नेगेटिव ही रहने वाला है दूसरा वाला टर्म. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
है ना, आप कोई भी एक वैल्यू ले लो, आपको समझ जाएगा नेगेटिव ही रहेगा. Equal to 4. So I get x plus 1 minus 2x plus 3. Now minus 2x plus x becomes minus x. 1 plus 3 will become 4. Now this become minus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 0. Okay. Now x equal to 0. So what I got the answer from here, kids? X is equal to what?
0.
0. Can this be the answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because it belongs to this particular domain only. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So x equal to 0 is one of the answers I've got. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's try the third case, the case 3. Okay, in the case 3, your x has to be greater than 3 by 2. So let's try it out. So if x is greater than 3 by 2, तो पहला टर्म भी पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा और दूसरा टर्म भी पॉजिटिव ही रहेगा. Do you agree?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you agree?
Yes, sir.
I got 3x and I got minus 2 equal to 4. So kids, I got 3x is equal to 6 and I get x equal to 2. 2, does it belong to this particular domain? 2? Does 2 satisfy this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it's satisfied. So I've got 2 answers finally. So finally my answers are, what are the answers? Tell me, chalo. X का answer क्या होगा? Tell me. It will be 0 and 2. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
पक्का ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. So kids, I hope सबको समझ गए method, सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is the most orthodox method. When no method will work, this method will pakka work. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the previous example, I had used first 2 methods. Now the first method which I had done by observation could not be done here because here I could do the adjustment of 1. But the sum which I did right now cannot be done by that. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
That's why this is the most orthodox method which will work under all circumstance. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
चलो अच्छी बात है, आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Sum.
Yeah, tell me.
Just try putting 0 in that sum.
Where to put 0?
Means x की जगह पे.
हाँ, आप हिट एंड ट्रायल तो कर सकते हो ना. हिट एंड ट्रायल मतलब क्या होता
सर
है?
देखो नहीं हो रहा है.
0 पुट किया तो 0 आया 1. 0 minus 3 का मॉड हो गया 3. 1 plus 3 becomes 4.
अच्छा हाँ मॉड ओके सॉरी.
क्या देव, ऐसा कैसा चलेगा? ठीक है ना? चलो ओके, ये मैंने सम आपको होमवर्क दिया था. ओके, ये सम आप लोग ट्राई किया कि ये वाला सम?
Yes, sir.
ओके, क्या आंसर आया मुझे बता. मैंने आंसर तो दिया नहीं. क्या आंसर है? एनीबडी इफ हैव डन इट?
-1.
Okay, so
Is
you got
greater than equal to minus.
greater equal to -1. ठीक है, पता नहीं, देखते हैं. Let me try it out for you all. Now this problem has actually 2 cases. What 2 cases? The case is,
-1.
क्या हुआ? Yeah, Raj, tell me.
Sir, x equals to -1.
एक ही वैल्यू है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, और कोई वैल्यू नहीं है? पक्का?
I got -1 and -4.
ठीक है, चालू करते हैं. आंसर है क्या मेरे पास? यहाँ पर आंसर है मेरे पास. हाँ, आंसर है. हाँ, यहाँ पर एक ही आंसर है मेरे पास. एक ही आंसर है. आंसर है -1. सिर्फ एक ही आंसर है इसका. या एक ही आंसर है मेरे पास. ओके, ठीक है, देखते हैं. लेट्स ट्राई सॉल्विंग. शुरू करें.
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ केस इसको सॉल्व करने का 2 केस होगा. देखो, ये मॉड के अंदर बंदा बैठा है. हाँ कि नहीं? अरे हाँ कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
और क्योंकि ये मॉड के अंदर है तो ये बंदा पॉजिटिव भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, sir.
So let's solve this problem in 2 cases. Let's take case 1. All pay attention, huh, kids? Case 1. The case 1 is x square plus 4x plus 3 greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, whatever it is. ओके मेरा पहला केस हो गया, ठीक है। आगे
Yes,
बढ़े।
sir.
और जो केस 2 होगा उसमें केस 2 में क्या करेंगे, इन केस 2 I'll take what in case 2 I'll take x square plus 4x plus 3 less than 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let's try with the first case. Okay, first case, yeah. Now, before I even start solving this problem, okay, now see, before I just go ahead. Before I just start solving this problem, पहले मुझे इसका काम करना है, फिर बाद में मैं इस क्वेश्चन का काम करूंगा, क्योंकि मैंने क्या बोला है कि ये ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0, तो बाय डिफॉल्ट इतना तो अभी देखो इसका सम्स कैसे शुरू होता है बताता हूं मैं आपको। क्योंकि ये पॉजिटिव है तो मॉड ऑफ पॉजिटिव विल बी पॉजिटिव ओनली, तो एक्चुअली आई विल गेट x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to x plus 1. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि आपने पॉजिटिव बोला है, so mod of positive is positive only. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Now, but before I go ahead, kids, solve this part also, because they'll get some domain, some extra possible values. Okay, उसके बीच में आंसर रहेगा. So I can write this as x plus 3 into x plus 1. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
सबको वेवी कर्व तो याद है ना? सिर्फ इतना करने के बाद तो आपको ना ओरली आ जाना चाहिए, इतना टाइम हमको वेस्ट नहीं करना एग्जाम में, ओरली आ जाना चाहिए। क्या आंसर ओरली बताओ इधर से?
minus infinity
Minus infinity to minus 3 minus 1 to infinity.
या तो ये वाला पार्ट है बेसिकली, है ना, पॉजिटिव पार्ट है ऊपर वाला पार्ट। तो यहां से जो मुझे x का जो आंसर मिल रहा है वो है माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू माइनस 3 क्लोज इंटरवल यूनियन -1 टू इंफिनिटी। इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
तो ये मेरा क्या हो गया, ये मेरा बॉर्डर है। मेरा जो भी आंसर, जो मुझे जो रेड में दिख रहा है, यहां से जो भी आंसर आएगा वो इसके बीच में ही होना चाहिए। डू यू एग्री?
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir
Okay, now let's start working. So I'm getting here x square plus 4x. आप x को शिफ्ट कर दो यहाँ पर तो आएगा 3x. So let me just write directly 3x. 3x, okay, shift किया मैंने, plus 2. I'll just factorize this guy. So I get x plus 2 into x plus 1. Is it okay? So I get x equal to -2 or x equal to what, kids? -1. Is it okay?
yes
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now see, kids, x equal to -2, if you see now, it does not belong to this interval. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
But does this belong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is belongs. So what is the answer I'm getting from case 1? X equal to -1. I have got one of the answer. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Now let's try the second case also. Hey, you all understood the first case, positive part. Positive part. Yeah.
Sir, -3 cannot be there, no?
क्या हुआ?
-3 नहीं आ सकता।
मैं थोड़ी बोल रहा हूँ आ रहा है, मेरा आंसर तो -1 है ना।
नहीं, because
सर
आपने
-1 भी
square
आपने
bracket
square
किया है।
bracket किया है।
इधर की बात कर रहा है?
Yes, sir.
अरे ये आंसर नहीं है मेरा, आंसर ये है मेरा, ये तो मैंने खाली मेरा प्रोबेबल आंसर इसके अंदर ही रहेगा, वो है आंसर नहीं है ये मेरा।
अरे तो भी सर आपने स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट किया है वो -3।
अरे मैं ये बोल रहा हूं कि मैं नहीं बोल रहा ये मेरा आंसर है, दिस इज नॉट माय आंसर। आई जस्ट टेकन अ ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0 एंड सो फ्रॉम देयर आई गॉट सम इंटरवल, बट दिस इज नॉट माय आंसर। आंसर इज दिस इज नॉट माय आंसर।
Okay, sir.
This is not my answer. Are, I know you are saying if I put -3 it does not work. It will never work only. I am not saying it will work. -3 is not the answer. This interval is not the answer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
अरे ये तो खाली कंडीशन मैंने पुट किया और कुछ नहीं। मॉड का 2 पॉसिबिलिटी होता है, एक पॉजिटिव एक नेगेटिव, हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
मैंने पॉजिटिव पार्ट लेके मुझे कुछ आंसर मिला, लेकिन ये आंसर नहीं है, ये तो एक रेंज है। x का जो भी वैल्यू होगा इसके अंदर ही होना चाहिए। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
So I got -1. Is it clear, Devam?
Yes sir, yes.
है ना? तो ये मेरा आंसर नहीं, आंसर तो मेरा ये जो ब्लू पार्ट में वो मेरा आंसर है। इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं। अब इसकी बारे में बात करते हैं, इसको पहले सॉल्व कर लेंगे फटाफट। तो यहां से मुझे एक x का इंटरवल मिलेगा जिसके अंदर मेरा आंसर होना चाहिए। आई थिंक आई विल नॉट डू द वेवी का, आई थिंक यू ऑल नो राइट? अरे नो ना एवरीवन। तो योर
Yes, sir.
x का प्रोबेबल आंसर शुड बी बिटवीन व्हाट टू व्हाट? -1 to -3, हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
minus
Okay.
3 to minus 1 na?
Yeah. Sorry. Minus 3 and minus 1. Yeah. Minus 3 to minus 1. Okay, तो मेरा जो probable answer होगा वो इसके अंदर ही होना चाहिए. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
अब चलो, let's do it. Since this is negative, so minus sign will come this time. So this time minus sign. I should write minus of x square plus 4x plus 3 क्योंकि this is negative. And mod के अंदर negative होगा तो बाहर negative आएगा. Is it okay? अरे, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's solve this guy now. So I get here minus of x square minus of 4x minus 3. Just switch all the terms on the right hand side. You get x square plus 5x plus 4. Is it okay, kids?
yes, sir.
Yes,
So I
sir.
got x plus 4 into x plus 1. So I got x equal to minus 4 or I got x equal to minus 1. Can this be the answer? No, not possible. This guy does not belong to interval, huh? Can he? So forget it. Even this guy does not belong to interval, so forget it. So from case 2 I have got no answer. Huh? Can he? From case 2. Case
Yes,
2
sir.
I have got no answer. So finally what is the answer?
minus 1.
Minus 1 आया और यहाँ से एक भी आंसर नहीं आया. यहाँ से मुझे कोई आंसर मिला नहीं है. There is no answer. So end of the day there is only one value existing. Which value will it satisfy? What is the answer finally?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 is the answer. Because case 1 se I have got one answer. I was expecting case 2 will fetch me some answer, but case 2 did not fetch me any answer. So forget it. So finally my answer is nothing but minus 1, and minus 1 is the answer because if you just put it here, is it satisfying?
So, but even minus 4 satisfies the equation.
Is it satisfying minus? How can minus 2 satisfy, re Baba? It's a
Minus
negative
4.
value, right side, na?
Oh,
Right
yeah.
side is positive, negative हो जाएगा ना? Naman?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so of course minus 2 is not. Only minus 1 will satisfy. Check it. 1 plus 4. 4 minus 4 will become 0, and even this is 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So no other value will satisfy other than this. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
चलो, अच्छी बात है. Okay, this stuff of course I'll do it later only. Okay. Okay, this is mod of x square. Now see, kids, I expect you people to try it out. आप लोग अगर मेरे भरोसे बैठे रहोगे, अब कुछ कोई बच्चे ने मुझे मैसेज कर दिया कि सर जो आपने होमवर्क दिया वो भी करोगे क्या? अरे अगर मैं होमवर्क भी मैं ही करूं, क्लास वर्क भी अगर मैं ही करूंगा, तो आप लोग क्या करोगे? Do you just wait and watch what I'm doing? No, it's very bad. So some of the kids don't expect that everything I should do. No, you all should try. खुद से करना है. आप कहीं अटक गए तो मुझे पूछो. अब कोई बच्चा मुझे बोलता है कि सर सब समाप्त करके दो ना. अरे ऐसे थोड़ी चलता है यार. This is not the way, right? एग्जाम में क्या मैं बैठूंगा आपके बाजू में? नहीं ना. So that's a you should try and get the answer. चलो, let's go ahead. इसका आंसर क्या है? किसी ने किया है क्या आंसर?
plus minus 3 or plus minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 to minus 1 union 1 2 3.
Minus 1 and union 1, 2, 3.
हाँ. Okay, so let's factorize this. Mod of x. कैसे split करेंगे? Split the middle term. Minus 3
minus 1.
and
minus 1.
minus 1. Okay, let's go ahead. So I expect you all to try खुद से only. Okay. Treat mod x as some function. So यहाँ पर आएगा suppose 3 and 1. Okay. और जो डाउट है वो मुझे पूछो. आप पूरा मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट मत करो कि मैं पूरा वापस सॉल्व करूंगा. आज कर रहा हूं, हर बार नहीं करूंगा मैं. जो डाउट है वही आप मुझे पूछोगे. ठीक है, चलो. ओके, सो किड्स, mod x का वैल्यू किसके बीच में आएगा? टेल मी. 1 2
1, 2, 3.
Is it okay? And I
Yes,
think
sir.
last time I'd given it the result to you. Do you remember? A less than mod x less than b. What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this? Minus b to minus a union a to b.
A to B.
तो यहाँ पर आएगा minus 3 to minus 1 union 1 2 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
चलो, अच्छी बात है. आई थिंक ऐसे हमने लास्ट टाइम काफी किए हैं. यहाँ इक्वल टू नहीं है. मॉड एक्स लेस देन अगर a होता है then x is between minus a to a. Is it true? है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ से आंसर हमें मिलेगा x is between minus 2 to 2 but except what? 0 नहीं हो सकता ना. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So finally x belongs to what? -2 to 2 except 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
X cannot be 0. You can just observe. हाँ? चलो. Again ये भी direct है. So 3x minus 2 will be between -4 to 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You add 2. That is 6. So -2 less than 3x less than 6. You divide by 3. So -2 by 3 less than x less than 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh, these are all simple problems and similar problems. So ये मैंने आपको बताया था मॉड अगर इसके बीच में है तो इसका आंसर भी हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे. So I can say, I think again I'm telling you, if mod of x is between a to b, then x belongs to
minus
b
one,
to
1
minus
3.
a union a to b. So keeping this thing in mind, so finally इसका आंसर कैसा होगा देख लेते हैं.
-3 to -1 1 2 3.
So x minus 2 belongs to -3 to -1 union 1 2 3. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now you add 2 throughout. अगर add 2 करेंगे तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा -1 क्योंकि add 2 किया है. यहाँ पर add 2 करेंगे तो 1 आएगा. यहाँ पर add 2 करेंगे तो 3 आएगा और यहाँ पर add 2 करेंगे तो 5 आएगा. I hope ये clear है kids?
Yes, sir.
चलो अच्छी बात है. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, again, yeah, same old thing. वही है. X minus 3 is between what to what? -5 to 5 except
0.
0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So if I add 3 throughout, I'll get -2. Add 3, you'll get 8. Add 3, it will become 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh, this also nice. ये क्या है? ये तो मॉड है और बाहर भी मॉड है. तो बस 1 by 1 करना और कुछ नहीं. I'll just show it to the result. If mod x is less than a, then x is between -a to a, and this we know it, right? So this is like initial. This behaves like mod x. ये term अंदर है ना, mod के अंदर है. So this guy that you see should be between what to what? -5 to 5. Is it clear, kids?
Yes, sir.
Now add 2. If I add 2, I'll get -3. If I add 2, this will become 7. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now kids, look at the left hand side. Left hand side is arbitrary here. इसकी कुछ अहमियत नहीं है. No importance. Why?
The modulus cannot be negative.
Mod का what is the minimum value? What is the mod का minimum value?
0.
0. So this has no importance here. So rather I should discard this guy. Okay. And in fact मैं इसको discard कर दूंगा. I'll just discard this. Okay. So this can be directly written as less than equal to 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So which is actually same as it's understood. It's understood, Re Baba. So now again I'll use this result. So your x minus 1 will be between what to what? -7
Minus
to
7.
7. I add 1, so I get -6 less than x less than 8. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, again, I think we know the result. If mod x is greater than or equal to a, then x is less than or equal to -a, or x is more than or equal to a. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So that's what it is. So this can be directly written as x minus 3 will be less than or equal to -2, or x minus 3 will be greater than or equal to 2. So x will be less than or equal to 1, or x is greater than or equal to 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So x belongs to, I can say, -infinity to 1 union 5 to infinity. Is it clear, kids?
Yes, sir.
चलो अच्छी बात, आगे बढ़ते हैं. This is similar ना, same तरीका. और एक बात था, अगर आप लोग अपने स्कूल की आदत यहां नहीं छोड़ोगे ना, तो आपका कोई भला नहीं कर सकता जेई में. Don't expect a teacher to solve everything for you people. You have to try. And you are clear your doubts. That's it. Doubts clear करो, वो जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है. लेकिन ये expect मत करो कि टीचर आपका हर problem solve करेगा. अरे if I give you a very big book to solve, do you want me to solve the entire book? It is your job to solve, right? Not my job to solve. ठीक है. So again, mod x is greater than a. So x is, है ना? X belongs to what? Or I can say x is less than minus a, or x is more than or equal more than a. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So keeping this thing in mind, now come here. Treat this as x. So mod x is greater than 1. So this is less than minus 1, or this is more than 1. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
So mod of x is less than 2, or mod of x is greater than 4. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm getting from here, x is between what to what? Minus 2 to 2. चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? x is less than minus 4, or x is greater than 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer I get here? X belongs to, I'm getting 3 intervals. एक तो हो गया minus 2 to 2 union. ये भी आंसर आ रहा है ना? minus 4 से कम, that is minus infinity to minus 4 union. और क्या आ रहा है? 4 to
4 to infinity.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, so we are going ahead now. With today's session, we'll start here because वो तो मैंने homework discuss कर रहा था मैं.
So, sir.
Yeah.
So, can you discuss the 23rd one?
एक मिनट. 23rd भी homework दिया था ना मैंने?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट. Yeah. (23rd), right? Yeah. कहाँ गया? Oh yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, kids, see, ये मैंने homework दिया था आपको. I think ये अच्छा sum था ये. Kids, this is x plus 4, right? Okay. X plus 4, x plus 3. X plus 3 can be written as x minus 1. आप check करना. Plus 4. What I've done is, I wrote 3 as plus 4 minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Next. This is x minus 1 plus नहीं minus. Okay. This is x minus 1. Okay. Just see the way I'm writing it down. Plus 9. Can I write 8 as minus 1 plus 9?
Yes.
चलेगा? ये चलेगा क्या?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पता है ऐसे क्यों लिखा है मैंने? देखो. See, this guy that you see is nothing but under root of x minus 1 minus 2 the whole square. Please check it. A square. A square will be this. X minus 1 only. This is b square. B square will be 4. It is somewhere here. And 2ab, when I say 2ab, it becomes this. Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
है ना? So this is like a minus. Actually, जब भी एग्जाम ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे ना, रूट के अंदर जो टर्म है ना x minus 1, उसको एडजस्ट करने का और कुछ नहीं. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Automatically it will become a plus b the whole square only. Similarly, even here.
Sir, I didn't get this step, so please could you repeat?
Who's asking?
So me, Sahil Jain.
Yeah. Okay, now see, first of all, I wrote 3 as minus 1 plus 4. Will that do?
Yes, sir.
Will that do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
पक्का ना? देखो, अगर किसी बच्चों का ये सब समझता नहीं तो फिर बहुत ही एलिमेंट्री लेवल पे सिखाना पड़ता है. देखो, बहुत एलिमेंट्री लेवल जो है ना वो ये है कि you do one thing, you call, just see, you call x minus 1 equal to a. X minus 1 equal to a. Okay, I'm just calling x minus 1 as a. It's a very elementary level. तो आपका x क्या हो जाएगा? A plus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What I get here? I get x as a plus 1 and this will be root of a. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, your x will be a plus 1. This is 8, and this will be root of a. Is it okay?
Yeah.
है ना, हमने इसको a बोला है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood ना?
Mm-hmm.
So what this becomes? This becomes a minus 4 root a plus 4. Again, this will be a minus 6 root a plus 9. Is it okay?
Okay, okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, I get
ठीक है
that.
ना?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
this
yeah.
becomes
Okay.
under root of a minus 2 the whole square. This will be under root of a minus 3 the whole square. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what I get now, root of square का mod लिखते हैं, आपको मैंने सिखाया था last time. Do you recollect?
Yes, sir.
है ना? This okay. I'll just remove the yeah. This is root of a minus 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can we do the adjustment here? In place of 1, can I write in place of 1? Can I write like this? What will I write? मुझे 1 चाहिए ना, तो I'll write root of a minus 2 minus of root of a minus 3. Will this make 1? Will this make 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I did 1. Where is the motivation coming from? Motivation is coming from the left hand side. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now once do this, you do this. Now chalo, think over it now. This guy is positive only. It means your root a minus 2 should be greater than or equal to 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
ये positive है, but this is negative. So automatically your root a minus 3 should be less than or equal to 0. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mod of this is same term. ये positive का positive ही रहा, इसलिए यहाँ पर positive लिखेंगे, जबकि change sign हो गया तो less than हो गया. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So root of a will be greater than or equal to 2 and root of a will be less than or equal to 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now back substitute a का value. What is a का value? A का value is
Root x minus 1.
यहाँ पर आएगा root of x minus 1 greater than or equal to 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And root of x minus 1 will be less than or equal to 3. If I do squaring, I get x plus minus 1 will be greater than or equal to 4. So
4.
x will be greater than or equal to 5. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here x minus 1 will be less than or equal to 9. So x will be less than or equal to 10. So what is the final answer I'm getting? X between what to what?
5 to 10.
10.
5
Is
to
it
10.
clear?
Yes, sir.
ओके तो ये एक मेथड यही है. इनफैक्ट देखो मुझे ये ए पुट करना पसंद नहीं है, क्योंकि नॉर्मली जब मेरे को व्हेन आई सी सच प्रॉब्लम्स, यू नो, ऑटोमेटिकली क्लिक्स इट गॉट टू बी सम रूट ऑफ x minus 1 का कनेक्शन हियर डायरेक्टली. तो आई वाज डूइंग डायरेक्टली रादर, बट इफ यू डोंट कैन नॉट डू इट, put it at a, put this as a, and then automatically the problem will be solved. Do you understand, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think अभी हम शुरू करते हैं. देखो आज का सेशन अभी तक हमने शुरू भी नहीं किया है, क्योंकि मैं तो होमवर्क ही डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं आपको खाली डाउट्स होगा वही क्लियर करूंगा, मैं पूरा सम सॉल्व नहीं करूंगा फिर. चलो, okay, can I start, kids?
Yes, sir.
Okay, kids, there are some few results which I want you all to know. It's a common sense. If you use a common sense, it will work. Mod of x plus y will always be less than mod x plus mod y. Always. But this is true only when x and y should have what? क्या लिखा है?
Opposite sign.
And it is so true also. It is so true also. Example देता था. चलो पहले वाले के लिए. Suppose your x is 2 and y is minus 3. So mod of x plus y मतलब 2 minus 3. Less than mod of 2, less than mod of minus 3. What is 2 minus 1? What is 2 minus 3? What is 2 minus 3?
Minus 1.
What is minus 1 का mod? 1. Mod of 2 is 2, है ना?
Yes, sir.
What is mod of minus 3?
3.
So is 1 less than 5?
Yes, sir.
So isn't that first equation true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this equation is true. Mod of x plus y will be less than mod x plus mod y if x and y have
Opposite sign.
sides.
opposite sign. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next is, but now ये वाला डिस्कस किया, अब इस थर्ड डिस्कस करते हैं. Mod of x plus y will be equal to mod x plus mod y if x and y have same sign or at least one of them is 0. So true. Mod of x plus y will be same as mod x plus mod y when x and y have same sign. Same sign मतलब क्या? Suppose you take x as -3 and y as -3. -2. This will be -5. -5 का mod will be what? 5 only. हाँ के नहीं kids? Are is it equal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it is also true when at least one of them is what? 0.
0.
अगर एक 0 होगा तो automatically equal होने ही वाला है. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So, number 1 and number 3 will be heavily used. So I want you all to remember this. What? Mod of x plus y will always be less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
इसको दोनों को combine कर. Less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, now these two results are not that much important, but still you should know. Mod of x plus y will be less than mod x plus mod y, but this time x and y should be same sign. यहाँ पर opposite sign था तो यहाँ पर same sign है. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Likewise, for this to exist, x and y should have opposite sign or at least one of them is 0. So in short, if you remember this first and third, automatically you can remember 2 and 4th because the conditions are opposite. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll be using this one by the way frequently. So can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'll tell you how to use it. Okay kids, I'm going to start a problem. Suppose the examiner gives you this problem to solve. Find x ka value. What is the general method or the standard method? Standard method is the orthodox method. And what do you mean by orthodox method? The method which I spoke about cases, case 1, case 2 and case 3. कहाँ गया वो? Do you see this method?
Yes, sir.
तो आपको केस 1 लेना पड़ेगा, केस 2 लेना पड़ेगा, केस 3 लेना पड़ेगा और फिर आंसर ढूंढना पड़ेगा आपको. ये ऑर्थोडॉक्स मेथड इस प्रॉब्लम का. कौन से प्रॉब्लम का? जो मैं अभी करने वाला हूं. तो ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने का एक स्टैंडर्ड तरीका क्या है? यू टेक 1 and 2, टेक 3 केसेस हियर, लेस देन 1, 1 to 2 and greater than 2, sorry. So 3 cases and then you'll get the answer. But that will be too lengthy, so we have a shortcut. Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at this now. सबसे पहले kids, right now only I spoke. What? Mod of x plus y is always less than or equal to mod x plus mod y. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
अब ये भी रिजल्ट दिया था कि नहीं दिया था? रिजल्ट.
Yes, sir.
तो ये रिजल्ट देखो कैसे काम आएगा. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व. So now let's treat. Okay, I'll use a different color rather. Okay, check it out. Treat this as x and treat this as y. So can I say mod of x plus y will be less than or equal to mod of x plus mod of y? Is that true?
Yes, sir.
So what I've done basically is that I knew this guy that you see will always be greater than or equal to mod of x plus y. Isn't that true?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
तो मैंने क्या ये रिजल्ट यूज कर लिया, mod of x plus y less than equal to mod x plus mod y. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
But already it is mentioned. What is the question given? That this chap that you see is less than or equal to 4. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
given.
sir.
हाँ क्या नहीं? अरे हाँ क्या नहीं? अरे हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So this guy is less than or equal to 4. So now, let's club this part with this. So if this guy is less than or equal to 4, so automatically this guy will be less than or equal to 4. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Which means I am getting here mod of x minus 1 plus x minus 2 less than or equal to 4. Isn't that true?
Yes, sir.
So I get here mod of 2x minus 3 less than or equal to 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So now I think we know the result. Which result? Mod of x is less than or equal to a. देखो जो बच्चे क्लास में आते हैं ना, अगर आप कुछ भूल जाते हो ना, मैं रेकमेंड करता हूँ, देखो मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग तो गूगल क्लासरूम में शेयर करता ही हूँ ना, तो किसी बच्चे को रिवाइज करना है तो आप वो रिवाइज करके आना, अगर कोई भूल जाता है तो, पर आपको भूलना नहीं है कुछ भी मैं पढ़ा रहा हूं मैं. सो your 2x minus 3 can be between what to what?
Minus 4 to 4.
Minus 4 to 4. You add a 3. So minus 1 less than equal to 2x less than equal to 7. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Finally, x का आंसर किसके बीच में रहेगा? x between what to what?
Minus 1 by
Minus
2.
1 by 2 to
7 by 2.
And this becomes your answer. So let's look at the method once again. What did I do, kids? This was a question given to me, and whenever you come across such problems, inequalities involved, always think of this result. That's why I frequently used. Mod of x plus y less than equal to mod x plus mod y. So mod of x plus y less than equal to mod x plus mod y. But already I know this guy less than equal to 4. So automatically this guy will be less than equal to 4. Isn't that true?
Yes, sir.
And then automatically solve this problem. Isn't this method faster than the method which I gave you in case 1, case 2, case 3 wala?
Yes, sir.
And a faster method hai. I'll show you some more problem based on this. Again, look at this problem. Previous was just previous was less than or equal to. This is just less than. Still the method will not change. Again, I'll say mod of x plus y is less than or equal to mod of x plus mod of y. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But this guy is already less than 4. How can I?
Yes, sir.
So now this problem therefore will become, so mod of x minus 1 plus x minus 2 will be less than 4. Is it okay? चलेगा ना?
Yes.
See, same answer है, खाली और inequality में less than आ जाएगा. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So again, minus 1 less than 2x less than 7. So your x is between what to what? Minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2 to 7 by 2.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Understood, no? Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think this was the problem. I think we've understood. Now something more. Now look at this problem, 37. What is the difference in this problem?
The side.
Inequality.
This is the difference, na kids?
Yes, sir.
The shortcut method which I taught you all will work. Will work. Will work. Only when here it is what? Less than or equal to. It will not work for greater than or equal to. Then what? Then do one thing. Solve for iska complement. Solve for iska complement. Iska complement. Solve for iska complement, and then whatever the answer you'll get, just do the complement of that. What does it mean?
I'm taking minus 4.
चेंज कर देते हैं फिर वापस चेंज कर देते
मतलब हम क्या करेंगे? Let's solve for इसका complement. मतलब I'll solve for this guy. Which guy I'll solve? I'll solve for less than 4, है ना? Because इसका complement क्या होता है? Greater than or equal to का opposite क्या होगा?
हैं
Less than. अरे हाँ के नहीं kids? तो अरे हाँ बोलो ना यार.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो हम इसको solve करते हैं. Let's solve this guy. And we've already solved this guy. What is the answer I had got?
Minus 1 by 2 to 7 by 2.
So I had got already the answer. What answer I had got is minus 1 by 2 to 7 by 2. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो आपका आंसर पता है क्या होगा? आपका आंसर इसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Your answer is इसका complement.
More than -1/2 and
So your answer will be, your real answer is then, therefore, x belongs to, you know what? Minus infinity to minus half included union. यहाँ पर 7/2 is not included, so it should be included till infinity. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
इसका complement. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Isn't that cool method, kids?
Yes, sir.
So what you should do, this method that you see is true when mod of plus mod of something should be less than or less than equal to. But if you get greater than or equal to, solve for the complement of that, and whatever answer you get, find uska complement. That's it. This becomes the final answer. Is it okay? Are is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है, चलो. Yeah.
I use the result
Which result?
we use in all sums.
Which sum?
Sir, before this means what we use for this less.
Okay, you use this result. This one.
Yes, sir.
You can't use this one because this is less than or equal to, na?
No, sir. Means I did a mod of x minus 1 plus x minus 2 less than is greater than 4.
What did you do? Tell me.
The mod of x minus 1 plus x minus 2
Okay. Mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2. What did you do?
is greater than 4.
Okay, then what?
So then I solved it. I'm getting the answer, same answer.
No. Once you can get the answer, right answer by wrong method also. You tell me the method.
Sir, I wrote a mod of I solved it and I got mod of 2x minus 3.
How did you solve it?
I first wrote mod of x minus 1 in the bracket plus
Okay.
mod of x minus 2
Okay.
is smaller than
Is smaller than or greater? Smaller than. Okay.
mod of
Okay.
x minus 1
Okay.
plus mod of x minus 2.
Okay. Then.
And I solved it.
But how did you solve it? This is greater than sign, na? How did you solve it?
I solved it means in continuous, then I got the answer.
Vansh, I'm telling you got the answer. You don't tell me you got the answer. You tell me how did you do it? Then what did you do here after
Mod
this?
of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 substituted it as greater than 4.
So you wrote this as greater than 4.
Yes, sir.
So here you did. First of all, I don't know what you're saying and what you've done. First of all, I think you should recollect the result, right? Mod x plus mod of x plus y less than equal to mod x plus mod y. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
किधर गया? But you used the wrong inequality, na? This is wrong, na?
Means the method is wrong.
Yeah, because this, how can this be? That's what I taught. Now, what was the result, Re Baba? Mod of x plus mod of y is what?
Is
Greater than or equal to mod of x plus y. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So you used the wrong inequality.
Okay, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay, so kids again, ये सब सुन रहे थे क्या कर रहा था?
Yes, sir.
वही मैं बता रहा था कि आप गलत कर रहे थे और कुछ नहीं बोलना चाहता मैं. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But that's why I was a bit surprised वो कैसे कर रहा था वो. I got the hint कि इसने गड़बड़ किया inequality में. ठीक है, चलो. Can I go ahead now, kids? Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now again, kids, see, look at the inequality. It's an ulta inequality. So we will solve for. Let's solve for. I will solve for what? I will solve for what? Less than equal to 3. Chalega?
Yes, sir.
So I will solve for less than or equal to 3, find the answer, and then take a complement of it. Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's start. We know that. Again, we have the result with us. What? Mod of x plus mod of y is always greater or equal to mod of x plus y. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
अरे हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अरे वंश ठीक है क्या? वंश ये सही चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
आपने गलत रिजल्ट यूज कर रहे थे, हाँ के नहीं?
हाँ, sir.
हाँ, cool. चलो, cool. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So keeping this thing in mind, so this is like your x and this is like your y. So mod of x plus y is less than or equal to mod of x plus mod of y. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Mod of x plus y less than or equal to mod of x plus mod of y. Is it okay, kids? And this is less than or equal to 3. Isn't that true? Given in the problem.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's go ahead. So I'll take this part with this part. So I get here. Mod of x square and x will become, okay, this is x square. I'm just writing it again, okay? Others, some people will have a doubt. I can write like this. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So 2x square minus 5 less than or equal to 3. Again, it's a mod sign less than है, तो minus 3 to 3 के बीच में होना चाहिए. So your 2x square minus 5 should be between what to what?
Minus 3
Minus
to
3 to 3. You add 5 becomes 2. And this becomes 8. चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
So divide by 2, 1 less than or equal to x square and less than or equal to 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let's recollect the result. If x square is between a square to b square, then x belongs to, remember it is minus b to minus a. Okay, close interval, I'll write it down. Union a to b. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पर आपका x का वैल्यू किसके बीच में आएगा? It will be between -2 to -1. I'll write close interval. Union what?
1, 2, 2.
I hope this makes sense, kids.
Yes, sir.
Good.
So
Yeah.
So can you just show the sum?
Yeah.
So for this, can't you just use x square minus 1 minus of x square minus 4?
X square minus 1. Yeah, you can do that, Jhol. You can do that. You can do that. This Egyptian can be done here. You can do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but I think this is 1,000 times better method. Is it okay?
Yes,
और एक
sir.
प्रॉब्लम क्या गौतम? और एक प्रॉब्लम है गौतम. गौतम यहाँ पर इक्वल टू साइन नहीं है
Oh yeah.
ना, तो
Okay,
प्रॉब्लम हो
sir.
जाएगा, है ना गौतम?
Yes, sir.
चलो. Okay, so kids, this was the solution for this problem. I hope you understood, kids.
Yes, sir.
So I hope अभी आपको समझ गया. This trick is so important for difficult problems. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो, अच्छी बात है. Okay, now Gautam, we can do something here. हाँ क्या नहीं? Can you do something here? Adjustment. Gautam, tell me. Can I do something here? Mod of x plus y is equal to mod x plus mod y. When
yes,
is this
sir, yes,
true?
sir.
When is this true? It is true if x and y have
Same sign.
same sign or
Or
at least
one
one zero.
equals
1
zero.
is 0.
हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Or at least 1 0. And yeah, I can do some adjustment. यहाँ पर inequality तो है नहीं, तो थोड़ा झोल झाल करते हैं. देखो, I can add this as x square minus of 4 plus x equal to mod of x square minus 4 plus mod of x. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is like your x, this is like your x, this is like your y. So mod of x plus y will be mod x plus y. When is this true? When x and y both have same sign.
Same sign.
So I can write a statement. Therefore, x square minus 4 and x should have should have same sign or at least 1 0. Is that true, kids? Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Now the question is, sir, how to solve ahead? Kids, if they both have same sign और हमें x का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, अगर दोनों के पास सेम साइन है तो दोनों का प्रोडक्ट हमेशा क्या होगा?
Positive.
अगर दोनों पॉजिटिव है तो भी पॉजिटिव, दोनों नेगेटिव तो भी पॉजिटिव. डू यू एग्री?
Yes, sir.
सो डायरेक्टली करेंगे, इसको केसेस में डिवाइड नहीं करेंगे. दोनों का प्रोडक्ट विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0. इज दैट ट्रू?
Yes.
देखा फायदा क्या हुआ? कैन आई यूज माय वेवी कर्व नाउ?
Yes.
देखो फायदा हो गया वेवी कर्व का. तो दोनों अगर पॉजिटिव है तो दोनों का प्रोडक्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव और दोनों का प्रोडक्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव. हाँ के नहीं? इधर केस प्रोडक्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
है ना? बोथ हैव सेम साइन, so product has to be positive, yeah, non-negative. Now I can solve this problem. This is 2, this is 0, and this is -2. So let's do the zigzag here. I hope you all understood. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
So your x belongs to what? I'll write close interval obviously. -2 to 0 union 2
To
to
infinity.
infinity. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So, instead of the positive product, can we consider two cases where either x square minus 4 is 0 or x is equal to 0 and do it?
You have to take so many cases now. This positive, this negative, this negative.
So, no, not like that. See, so you said at least one has to be 0.
Yeah.
So, either x square minus 4 is 0 or x is equal to 0 and you'll get it, right?
Arey Baba, but I'll get only 3 values na.
Okay, there's the...
है ना पूरा?
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, चलो. Yeah. Can I go ahead, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. चलो अच्छी बात है. If mod of x is less than or equal to a, then x is between what to what?
-a to a.
देखो किड्स, हम जब कोई चीज बार बार करेंगे तो याद हो जाती है ना किड्स. इट्स नॉट अबाउट रट्टोफाइंग. यू डोंट हैव टू रट्टोफाई एक्चुअली. इफ यू कीप डूइंग, दैट्स व्हाट द ब्यूटी ना किड्स. प्रैक्टिस का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रैक्टिस? कोई चीज अगर आप बार बार करोगे तो आपको आदत हो जाती है, तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली रिजल्ट याद हो जाता है. इजंट दैट ट्रू?
Yes, sir.
तो वही है, थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपको ऑटोमेटिकली सब कुछ आने लगेगा. तो अगर आपको इनिशियली डिफिकल्ट लग भी रहा होगा ना, वो बार बार करने के बाद वो इजी लग जाता है. कैन आई गो अहेड?
Yes, sir.
So here kids, mod of x is less than or equal to 1. So I can write this as between -1 to 1. Will that do?
Yes, sir.
Now what? ये चलेगा ना?
Yes, sir.
अब इसको दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. Let's break into 2 parts. Okay. First, I'll take x minus 3 upon x plus 1 greater than or equal to -1. And the second part is इसको independently solve करना पड़ता है ना, इसलिए इसको separate करना पड़ रहा है. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
और किds यहाँ पर and है. And मतलब intersection ना. तो get the answer from here and get the answer from here and दोनों का common check करने का. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's start. How to solve this problem? Shift that 1 here on the left hand side. Shift करेंगे, so this will come here. So it's x minus 3 plus x plus 1 upon x plus 1. So this becomes 2x, 2x minus 2. This will be 2x minus 2 upon x plus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
I can take 2 common and 2 will go there. So I'll be left with x minus 1 upon x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, now x minus 3 upon, मैंने आपको सिखाया था ना, we cannot shift this term. हाँ के नहीं kids?
Yes, sir.
So that's why सब करना. अभी कुछ बच्चे ना कभी-कभी क्या होता है, even after studying so much, we tend to forget. We are just in a hurry. We just shift the term there. Don't shift the term. It's an inequality. So never shift the term like this. So it's x minus 3 minus of x
X minus
1. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
So I get x minus 3 minus x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Okay, so this x will get cancelled. So I get minus 4. So I get minus 4 upon x plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Now kids, सबसे पहली बात, let me shift the minus sign there. If I shift the minus sign there, okay, if I shift the minus sign there, what will happen to the inequality? Change. पक्का ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now यहाँ तो I can do the wavy curve. I can do the wavy curve here straight away. Equal to 0, this is 1 and this will be of course minus 1. ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर. So I get x belongs to what, you know, minus infinity to minus 1. Minus 1 में I should have open interval. Why open interval?
Denominator cannot be 0.
Denominator cannot be 0. Union, 1 में close interval. Yeah. 1 में close interval. 1 to infinity. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर देखिए ये पॉजिटिव है. ये पूरा टर्म अगर पॉजिटिव है तो बाय ये 4 तो पॉजिटिव है, यहाँ के नहीं.
Yes, sir.
अगर 4 पॉजिटिव तो ऑटोमेटिकली और x plus 1 has to be greater than 0. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
So automatically, अरे समझा क्या सबको?
Yes,
See,
sir.
this entire guy is positive and 4 positive है तो x plus 1 को तो positive ही होना पड़ेगा. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
It cannot be 0 because it's in the denominator. So x has to be greater than minus 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Look at x belongs to what? I got minus 1 to infinity. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
अब क्या करना है आपको? दोनों का कॉमन आंसर फाइंड करना है. दोनों का कॉमन आंसर फाइंड. दोनों का कॉमन आंसर इज द इंटरसेक्शन. तो व्हाट इज द फाइनल आंसर?
1 to infinity.
हाँ, बिकॉज माइनस 1 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए तो ये तो डिस्कार्ड हो जाएगा स्ट्रेट अवे क्योंकि ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा. ये माइनस 1 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए, 1 से ज्यादा है तो ऑफ कोर्स पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज ही आएंगे. सो आंसर हैज टू बी 1 to infinity. इज इट ओके किड्स?
Yes, sir.
है ना, ये माइनस 1 से ज्यादा बोल रहा है, ये 1 से ज्यादा बोल रहा है, तो ये आपका आंसर हो जाना चाहिए. आई होप इट्स क्लियर किड्स.
Yes, sir.
चलो अच्छी बात है. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. कैन आई डू सम एडजस्टमेंट देयर? इफ आई कैन डू सम एडजस्टमेंट, आई कैन डू एक्चुअली. कुछ तो कर सकते हैं हम यहाँ पर. कर सकते हैं क्या? सोचो सोचो.
3x into 2x and x.
या देखो मैं ना कुछ झोल करता हूं मैं. x square minus 2x plus mod of x minus 4. Okay, before that मुझे 3x चाहिए तो मैं एक काम करता हूं. गौतम ध्यान देना तू यहां पर.
Yes, sir.
एक रिजल्ट पहले. चलो मैं बिफोर आई डू दिस वन रिजल्ट, लेट्स रिकलेक्ट वन रिजल्ट. Mod of x plus y is always less than mod x plus mod y. Is that true? Provided when if x and y have what?
Different sign.
बोलो बोलो बोलो. Opposite sign. देखो लोग भूल जाते हैं ना तो मैं उनको वापस बताता हूं. देखो कम है. हम तो भुलक्कड़ हैं तो हम भूल जाते हैं ना. Do you see this first result?
Yes, sir.
Gautam, do you see this?
Yes, sir.
Mod of x plus y less than mod x plus mod y. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
When x and y have
Opposite sign.
opposite sign. Re baba. So now let's work on it. So mod of x plus y less than mod of if x and y have opposite sign. मैं ये क्यों बता रहा हूं? क्योंकि मैं इसको कुछ कनेक्ट करने वाला हूं. आप ध्यान से देखना. चलो मैं पहले आपको आपके सहूलियत के लिए मैं एक काम करता हूं. ध्यान देना. So that you feel comfortable. मैं इसको आगे रखता हूं, ठीक है? x square minus 3x plus 4 less than mod of x square minus 2x. I've written the same question, huh? So is it okay? I've written the same question, kids. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Remember मैं ये रिजल्ट भी यूज करने वाला हूं. ओके, अब ना ध्यान देना. सबसे पहले if I write like this, anybody has a problem? I wrote this like this. Do you have a problem? Can I write like this?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
लिख सकते हैं ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because kids, mod of x minus y is same as mod of y minus x. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
अरे mod of 2 minus 3 रे बाबा is same as mod of 3 minus 2. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Everybody agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये वो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू है ना, तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहेगा. तो आप मॉड ऑफ x माइनस 4 बोलो या मॉड ऑफ 4 माइनस x बोलो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? अब आप पूछोगे सर ऐसा क्यों किया आपने? क्या लगता है ऐसा मैंने क्यों किया? ऐसे मैंने क्यों किया?
Because when you add them, you get the term on the left.
हाँ, अरे गौतम तू स्मार्ट है रे, because when you add it you get the same term. See, can I write here x square minus 2x plus 4 minus x? Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
Does it give you this only?
Yes, sir.
So see what I have done. First of all, when such inequalities are there, आपको result तो याद ही होना चाहिए. And then I just wrote like this, and I purposely did this so that when I add it, it gives me this only. Is it okay? Are you
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Now, case I think I can do my job now. What is the job? Okay, this is like mod of x plus mod of y less than mod x less than mod y. Haan ke nahi? Is that true?
Yes, sir.
But when is it true? It is true
When
if
they have
what?
When they have opposite
opposite
sign.
sign.
X square minus 2x and 4 minus x have
Opposite signs.
opposite sign. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Which means, and if they have opposite sign, the दोनों का product should be what?
Less than 0.
Minus.
It will always be less than 0. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
पक्का ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very very good. चलो अच्छी बात है. Okay, यहाँ equal to मत कर देना. Don't do equal to here. Because they cannot be equal to 0. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि यहाँ पर सिर्फ less than है. Is it okay? अरे is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So I get here x common. I get x minus 2. I take minus common, so I'll get x minus 4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Minus taken common. Because I had taught you all that whenever you use wavy curve method, your x का coefficient should be positive. Is it okay? ये minus मैंने transfer कर दिया तो inequality changes. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you use the wavy curve now?
Yes, sir.
4, 2, 0.
0.
तो greater than है तो ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर, ऊपर से नीचे. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Greater than 0 तो above x-axis. Is it okay?
Positive. Yes, sir.
So finally, what is my answer? Answer.
0 to 2 and 4 to infinity.
0 to 2 union 4 to infinity. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
So how was the problem? Nice problem. Gautam, how was the problem?
Good, sir.
Understood the concept, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the modulus ka last problem. This is the modulus ka last problem. It will be a bit different. Wavy curve काम आएगा लेकिन थोड़ा मेहनत है. Can I start?
Yes, sir.
चलो. This is mod of x plus 3 plus x upon x plus 2. What do you think? What I should do now first? Don't you think I should shift this guy here?
Yes, sir.
So mod of x plus 3 plus x minus of x plus 2 upon x plus 2. I hope it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Now your x and x will get cancelled, huh, kids? Of course, this is x plus 2. Your x disappears. So I get here mod of x plus 3 minus 2 upon x plus 2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, once you reach, you have to do the wavy curve. But here the wavy curve is very smartly you to do it. What is the method of wavy curve? We equate this to 0, हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Even we will equate to this also 0, हाँ? पूरा इसको 0, ये linear term है ना, इसको भी equate to 0 करना पड़ेगा. तो अगर मैं x plus 2 को equate to 0 करूंगा तो मुझे यहाँ से x क्या मिल रहा है?
-2.
This is a critical point. Similarly, now अभी आपको इसको भी equate to 0 करना पड़ेगा. तो यहां से आपको critical point मिलेंगे. देखो यहाँ पर. Of course, x plus 3 will be either +2 or -2. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
X plus 2 equal to 2 or x plus 3 equal to -2. So my critical point here is -1 or the critical point will be -5. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this guy fetched me two critical values. So when we draw the number line, the consider all the three, even these two and this. So who's the greater guy? Greater guy is -1 is greater.
-1.
-2. -5. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now once you reach, now look at the method. Huh? Normally we blindly start ऊपर से ना, blindly, हाँ कि नहीं kids?
Yes, sir.
Now don't do blindly. Do one thing. On the right side of -1, take some random value. Suppose you take -3, suppose. I said on the right side of -1, you take some random value. That is -2. Chalo. And check it. What is the sign of this happens? What happens to this?
So,
yeah.
So on the right of -1, how will -2 come?
Oh, sorry. Slip of tongue. sorry. On the right side of -1, take some value. That is 0. Let's take 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's take 0. If x is 0, what is 0? What is 0 plus 3?
3.
0 plus 3 is 3. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
3 minus 2?
1.
1. 0 plus 2. 2. What is 1 upon 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Is 1 upon 2 greater than 0?
Yes, sir.
True. तो यहाँ ये ऊपर से ही शुरू होगा. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So जब भी mod वाले ऐसे problems आ जाएंगे तो हमेशा check कर लेना. I took 0, you can take any other value. Take 2 also. You take 2. You take excess 2 also. Right side वाला value. 2 plus 3. एक किसी का ऑडियो कोई पीछे बात कर रहा है, बंद करो ऑडियो अपना. Yeah. Put 2. 2 plus 3 is, अरे कोई बात कर रहा है यार, ऑडियो बंद करो अपना. Yeah. Take 2. 2 plus 3 will be 5 and mod of 5 will be 5. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And 5 minus 2 will be 3. Is it okay?
Yes.
And I had taken 2. 2 plus 2 will be 4. So is it positive?
Yes, sir.
So I took the upper side. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
Now you come to -1. Okay. Now actually you can check the value, but it will come niche only. Don't worry. It's a linear term. Niche ही आएगा. But still, if you want to be very much sure, take some value. Suppose -1.5. -1.5 plus 3 will be 1.5. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
1.5 minus 2 will be -0.5. हाँ क्या नहीं? Negative value. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
And -1.5 plus 2 will be 0.5. This is a positive value. ऊपर आ रहा है negative, नीचे आ रहा है positive. पूरा क्या हो गया फिर?
Negative.
तो ये नीचे की तरफ आएगा. Is it okay? अरे is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, -2 पे जाएंगे, आप चेक करोगे ये odd power है तो ऊपर जाएगा. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And again, it will come niche only. But if you're not so sure, take some value. -6. -6 plus 3 will be -6 plus 3 will be -3. -3 का mod will be 3. 3 minus 2 will be 1. तो ऊपर is positive, but niche is negative. So it will be negative. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
And once this is done, now this is a greater than sign. And that's why it should be above x-axis. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
So finally, kids, chalo, tell me then what is the answer? Tell me.
-5 to -2, -1 to infinity.
So finally, my x belongs to -5 to -2 union -1 to infinity. So what is the speciality about this method? We had never solved a problem wherein the mod was involved. To equate to 0 and you, okay, sorry, before that, shift that 1 on the left hand side. Sorry, not this one, sorry. पहले shift that 1 on the left hand side and then switch it, and then once you get this, now this is a modulo sign, तो पहले मैंने equate to 0 का equate to 0 किया तो मुझे critical points मिल गए. उसके बाद mod वाले जब sums होंगे तो थोड़ा carefully करना चाहिए. Normally blindly हम ऊपर से ही शुरू करते हैं, पर यहाँ पर मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ पर आपको थोड़ा चेक किया मैंने कि 0 पुट करके देखा कि पॉजिटिव आ रहा है कि नेगेटिव आ रहा है. तो पॉजिटिव आया तो ऊपर से शुरू किया, फिर तो zigzag ही होने वाला था. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
So kids, so finally, happily we have finished our which part? The modulus part
Modulus.
also. And now the last part of the chapter deals around with logarithm. Logarithm हमने function में भी शुरू किया है, तो I think आपको basic तो logarithms के पता ही है, but हाँ हम कुछ extra चीजें देखेंगे जो हमें मजा आएगा. Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
पहले recollect. I had given you something. What? If a raised to x is equal to b. Now this is known as which form?
Exponential form.
Exponential.
Exponential form. Then your x can be written as what?
Log of b to the base a.
Log of b to the base a.
Log of b to the base a. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Of course, there are some few conditions which I have told you all. भूलना मत. पहला, ये जो बंदा दिख रहा है b, और ये जो बंदा दिख रहा है बेस a और b, हमेशा greater than 0 ही होने चाहिए, हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
दूसरी बात, बेस को कभी आप 1 मत बोलना, बेस कभी 1 नहीं हो सकता. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
बेस कभी 1 नहीं होता. पता है ना, मैंने बोला था a कभी 1 नहीं होता. Is that true?
Yes.
ये बंदा कब डिफाइंड है? It is defined only when your a is greater than 0 and a should not be equal to 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
तो हमें ये भूलना नहीं है. Of course, किसी बच्चे को ज्यादा फंडास भी क्लियर है तो he can use a common sense that base cannot be 1 because if the base is 1 then log of b upon log of 1. Change of base theorem याद आया क्या? अरे change of base theorem.
Yes, sir.
And the log of 1 का वैल्यू क्या होता है? Log of 1 का वैल्यू
0.
not possible. Is that true? Is that true? तो ये सब कुछ छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो है बहुत छोटी, बट लोग ये छोटी चीजें ध्यान नहीं देते. People do very difficult problems, but they forget the fundas only. Never forget the funda. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
आगे. These properties we had already done in our functions chapter. So let's revise. Log of m to the base a is same as log of n to the base a. The m will be same as n. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Log of 1 is always 0. Log of a to the base a will always be 1. So log of 10 to the base 10 will be 1. Log of e to the base e will be 1. Log of 100 to the base 100 will be 1. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
A raised to log of x to the base a answer is always x. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Which means if I write 5 raised to log of 7 to the base 5, answer will always be equal to 5. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Sorry.
Seven.
Seven.
My mistake. Yeah. 7. Okay. तो हमें भूलना नहीं है. उसके बाद log has a power to pull the power down. Log has a power to change multiplication into plus, and log has a power to change division into
Subtraction.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
अच्छी बात है. Again, this is known as the change of base theorem. मैंने आपको बताया था log of m to the base is log of m upon log of b. Base can be anything. This was the change of base. A reciprocal law. Log of a to the base b is 1 upon log of b to the base a. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Log to the base 10 is known as the common log, which is used in physics and chemistry. And base e is known as the natural log. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can add 2 more results which you can remember. A raised to log of c to the base b is same as c raised to log of a to the base b. ये मैंने प्रूव भी किया है क्लास में, सम था एक्चुअली. तो याद रख लो ABC CBC. Do you see? CBA. ABC CBA. Do you see?
Yes, sir.
तो ये याद रखना. A raised to log of c to the base b. Just go उल्टा CBA के फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आगे. One more thing which is very simple, that is log of p raised to q to the base a raised to b, suppose. This is same as q by b log of p to the base a. See, it's a common sense. Why it's a common sense? I'll tell you. बहुत common sense है ये तो. See, log of p raised to q, this is a raised to b. Now I can write this as change of base theorem, log of p to the base q, log of p raised to q upon log of a raised to b. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Change of base theorem. Now log has the power to pull the power down. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And now this can be clubbed as, I can write this as finally q by b, and this will be log of p to the base a. Ulta. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
तो डायरेक्टली लिखने का क्या करने का, ये पावर क्यू नीचे लो, ये बी को यहाँ नीचे ले लो, खत्म हो गया. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Finally, some more interesting thing, lots of graphs. Kids, what do you see in front of your eyes?
Graph
Y is equal.
Whose graph?
y equal to 2 raised to x.
It's a 2 raised to x graph, हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, many times people write like this also. I can write this also. F of x equal to 2 raised to x. A function is given as f of x, हाँ? और हम उसको y ही बोलते हैं, हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब kids, look at the graph, huh? So that you understand. See, when you put x as 1, what is y का value?
2.
2. So if x is 1, y will be 2. If I put x as 0, what will be y का value?
1.
So 0, 1. चलेगा? 1, 2. X is 2, then y will be 4. X is 3, then y will be 8. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
do you see it is exponentially increasing? अरे
Yes, sir.
बढ़ती जा रहा है ना वो?
Yes, sir.
इसलिए it's known as exponential function. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But if x का value is -1, that will be 1 by 2. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
If x is -2, it will be 1 by 4. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
X is -3, answer will be 1 by 8. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Now one more thing. You might feel it is merging, but it will never merge. This will never merge. What will happen is, I'll tell you. This x-axis and the graph of 2 raised to x is something like this. Sorry, it goes up. Sorry, it goes up. Yeah, it just goes. So now apparently when you look at this diagram, you might feel this is merging, but it will never merge. It will be very, very close to x-axis. Very, very close to x-axis. It will be very, 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 very close to x-axis. So normally, what do we call in mathematics? If suppose the line is touching the curve, we call it as a tangent. Haan ke nahi?
Yes, sir.
So apparently, you might feel it is touching. So x-axis is a tangent. X-axis actually is not a tangent. It is very close. So it has a name. Since it is very close now, this x-axis is known as asymptote. 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 P भी होता है. P. Asymptote. What is an asymptote? X-axis is an asymptote of 2 raised to x. Asymptote का मतलब होता है tangent at infinity. Infinity. What does it mean is, it is almost like a tangent, but it is not a tangent. Almost like a tangent, but not a tangent. Tangent क्या करता है? Touch करता है, हाँ क्या नहीं?
हाँ सर.
लेकिन ये टच नहीं करते, बहुत ही क्लोज है, बहुत ही क्लोज, बहुत ही क्लोज, बहुत ही close. It's like what? It's like you take a ball, you throw up high up in the sky, and the velocity, what happens? Velocity keeps on decreasing. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
And velocity, when the ball reaches the topmost position, we normally call the velocity 0. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
But the reality is velocity never becomes 0. Velocity is almost close to 0. 0.0000000000001. But it is what? Not 0. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes,
But
sir.
for practical purposes, we call it as 0. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, this line x-axis is almost a tangent, but it is not a tangent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why kids, I called it as asymptote. The name is asymptote. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
तो ये है आपका the graph of 2 raised to x. In fact, kids, the graph of 2 raised to x ले लो. Now see, this is the graph of the purple color is the graph of 2 raised to x. The red color is graph of e raised to x. E का approximate value पता होना चाहिए. आपके e का approximate value है 2.718. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Graph of 3 raised to x. It goes ऊपर only. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is the curve. So normally the graph of this graph of a raised to x. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
But one thing to remember, if a is greater than 1, this is true for a greater than 1 only. Dekh lo. Your a was 2, here your a was e, here your a was 3. If your a is between 0 to 1, then the graph is something else. What is the graph? Check the next one. This time, what is a ka value?
Half.
Half. In the previous or a was 2, na?
Yes, sir.
So this graph that you see is true when your a is always greater than what?
1.
So it's an increasing function. It's an increasing function. Increasing function मतलब क्या? जैसा x बढ़ेगा वैसा y बढ़ेगा. Do you understand? जैसा x बढ़ेगा वैसा y बढ़ेगा. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
x भी बढ़ रहा है, y भी बढ़ रहा है. x भी बढ़ रहा है, y भी बढ़ रहा है. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. This time here, you look at this a. And your a is less than 1. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
But your a is always between 0 to 1. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Because I already taught you all, a raised to x में a cannot be 0. Is it okay?
Yes.
And a is always greater than 0. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
And a cannot be 1. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
ये सारी चीजें मैटर करती है. तो there are two types of graph. There are two types of graph. One graph is for more than 1 and the other graph is for less than 1. Let's check more less than 1. So here a is between 0 to 1. Now check it out. If your x is 0, so it will be 0, 1. Is that true? Or is that true?
Yes, sir.
When x is 1, sorry. Okay. When your x is 1, what is half raised to 1? Half. So is it 1, half? Is that okay? Or is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I take 2, half raised to 2 will be 1 by 4. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So ये कहना से नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है. Do you see this?
Yes,
अरे,
sir.
Yes, sir.
when you take negative value, it will be upper side. है ना? When you take x as minus 2, it will be 4 सीधा. Is that okay? So the graph
Yes,
is something like this. And x-axis will be your asymptote. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is the graph of half raised to x. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So we have seen two types of graph. This graph and this graph. Both are exponential function. A raised to x का ही graph है दोनों. But यहाँ पर a is more than 1 and यहाँ पर a is between what to what?
0 to 1.
0 to 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go with log x का graph. Log x का graph. This is the graph when a is greater than 1. Check it out. If I put x as 1, if I put suppose log x to the base 2. If I take x as 1, log of 1 is 0. Do you agree? Are log of 1 is what?
0.
So 1, 0. Do you see 1, 0 here?
Yes, sir.
Now, when I put x as 2, what is the answer? 1. हाँ के नहीं? अरे हाँ के नहीं? 2, 1. When I put x as 4, answer will be 2. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember the meaning? Meaning क्या है? Which power of 2 gives you 4? अरे which power of 2 gives you 4?
2.
2. So 4 comma 2. Do you see this?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can just go ahead, you'll get the values like this, one by one. Again, here, for the log x curve, your y-axis is asymptote. Do you understand? क्या कर रहा हूं मैं? क्यों गया? हाँ, sorry. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And यहाँ पर it is going towards negative infinity. Do you understand? नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है.
Yes, sir.
और ये ऐसे आगे बढ़ते जाता है. This is a graph of log of x to the base 2. Is it clear, kids?
Yes, sir.
So look at the next one. So this is the red wala is log of x to the base 2. The green wala is log of x to the base e. And the blue wala is log of x to the base 10. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो kids ये आपका ग्राफ है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. Of course, अगर मैंने आपको इसका डोमेन पूछा तो can anybody tell me the domain? And can you tell me the range? डोमेन क्या होगा? डोमेन क्या होगा बताओ? x का वैल्यू क्या हो सकता है? 0 to infinity. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
अरे log x में x क्या हो सकता है? 0 to infinity.
Yes, sir.
Look at the graph. Is it 0 to infinity x का value?
Yes. Yes,
But
sir.
what is the range? What is the range? Range.
All the real numbers.
All real number. नीचे से लेकर ऊपर तक. Do you see all the values will come? Do you see this? अरे do you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो ये सब पता होना चाहिए ग्राफ देख के. Kids, now this was a graph where your base is greater than 1. If your base is less than 1, now look at this guy, 1 by 5. So if the base is between 0 to 1, at that time the graph looks like this. ऊपर से जाएगा वो नीचे की तरफ आएगा. Like this. So what I want to convey, this is an increasing function. Is that true? X बढ़ेगा तो Y बढ़ेगा, हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is a decreasing function, kids. Why it's a decreasing function? X बढ़ेगा तो Y क्या होगा?
Reduces.
घटेगा.
हाँ, घटेगा, कम होगा. Cool. ये भी increasing है. इसको मैं क्या बोलूं? Increasing या decreasing बोलूं?
Decrease.
Decreasing ना kids?
Yes.
घटेगा, नीचे आएगा. तो हमने क्या सीखा? अगर आपका A 1 से बड़ा है तो increasing, हाँ के नहीं?
Yes.
अगर A is between 0 to 1 तो फंक्शन क्या हो जाता है?
Decrease.
Decreasing. Very good. Now चलो सब log एक साथ. ये जो दिख रहा है, ये ln का मतलब क्या होता है? ln का मतलब?
E.
तो base e याद है ना? Log of x to the base e याद है कि नहीं याद है?
Yes, sir.
तो यहां पर सबका बेस देखो 2 है, बेस e है और बेस 10 है. तो सबका ग्राफ ऐसे आ रहा है. डू यू सी दिस? हाँ बोलो ना.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन अगर बेस इज बिटवीन 0 to 1 तो ऐसा ग्राफ नीचे की तरफ आएगा. डू यू सी दिस?
Yes, sir.
चलो अच्छी बात है. समथिंग मोर इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर यू पीपल, किड्स. समथिंग मोर. Can I see 2 raised to x और log of x to the base 2? ये है एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म और ये लोगैरिथमिक फॉर्म, हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
और दोनों एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड ही है ना किड्स? अरे इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Which power of 2 gives you x, हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So they are known as the reciprocal function. They are known as reciprocal function. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So 10 raised to x का reciprocal function क्या होगा? Log of x to the base 10, हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
ये समझ जाएगा पब्लिक को?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. If I give you a raised to b, तो इसका reciprocal function क्या होगा? Log of
B to the base.
B to the base.
Smart. And reciprocal functions are always symmetrical about. Reciprocal functions are always symmetrical about y equal to x. Symmetry matlab they are the mirror image. They are the mirror image. They are the mirror image of each other. Mirror image of each other. Reciprocal functions are always mirror image of each other. So this was log of x to the base 2 and this is 2 raised to x. And they are reciprocal function. They are known as the reciprocal function. And they are always what? They are always a mirror image. Is it okay, kids?
Yes, sir.
And who's the mirror? Who's the mirror? Who is the mirror?
Y is equal to
X equal to 1.
Y equal to X is the mirror. Is it okay, kids?
yes, sir.
चलो अच्छी बात है. So reciprocal functions are always mirror image about y equal to x. Does the concept becomes clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. बस और थोड़ा और चीज बता दूंगा, then we can just stop kids. और बस थोड़ा सा. Sorry. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. ये तो मैं next time बता दूंगा फिर मैं आपको. You just look at this now. I think is it clear, kids? ये तो समझ गया ना अभी आपको तो. ए इतना समझाने के बाद भी नहीं समझेगा तो फिर क्या कर सकते हैं? हाँ, क्या समझा क्या सबको ये वाला ग्राफ? अरे समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
It's the same graph, right? Yeah. Okay. I just want to some few results, okay, which we'll be using it next time now while solving numericals. Some few results. Okay. If A is positive, is it an increasing function? 0 to 1 is decreasing function. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So please remember, if x2 is greater than x1, then a raised to x2 will be greater than a raised to x1. Inequality will not change when a is greater than 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But if a is between 0 to 1, then the inequality will change. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Remember, inequality changes for decreasing function. Again, I'm writing a note for you people. Increasing function. Inequality does not change. Decreasing function. What happens?
Inequality changes.
Inequality changes. Very nice. So x2 अगर x1 से बड़ा है तो a raised to x1, a raised to x1 से बड़ा होगा if a is greater than 1. But if a is between 0 to 1, the inequality will change. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
अगर a 1 से बड़ा है, if suppose somebody gives you log of x to the base is greater than 0. Now by this everybody knows if log of x to the base a is equal to b, logarithmic form, then x can be written as a raised to b. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
This is true for equality. But अगर greater than 0 है और अगर greater than 1 यहां पर दिया तो inequality will not change. So you can write x as a raised to 0. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Inequality does not change. And what is a raised to 0 ka value?
1.
1. So if log of x to the base is greater than 0, x will be greater than a raised to 0 and a raised to 0 1, which means x will be greater than 1. Next. If log of x to the base is less than 0, then your x will be less than, then your x will be less than a raised to 0. Is it okay?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
क्या नहीं? बड़ी एक्सपोनेंशियल वैल्यू तो यहाँ पर मिनिमम वैल्यू 0 से शुरू होगा. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
तो x किसके बीच में होना चाहिए?
0 to 1.
Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, तो क्लियर कर लो. अब यहाँ पर देखो 0 to 1 है. अगर 0 to 1 होगा तो inequality should change. So log of x to the base is greater than 0. तो यहाँ पर क्या लिखेंगे पता है? x will be what? क्या लिखो? क्या लिखो बोलो? x will be what? Less than a raised to 0. Is it okay? अरे लोग कहाँ गए?
Yes, sir.
And a raised to 0 is 1. So I get x raised to 1. But remember, your x का minimum value will be what? 0 only. Why?
0.
Because exponential value 0 से ही बड़ा होता है. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Because if you don't write this, then people will think that the minimum value is negative infinity. हाँ के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
But that is not possible. That's why less than 0. Is it okay? And this makes sense. Is it okay? And is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. बोलो बोलो. अरे बोलो. ठीक है. Again, log of x to the base is less than 0. Whenever you do anything, look at the inequality. 0 से 1 के बीच में है, अगर 0 से 1 के बीच में इनइक्वालिटी शुड चेंज, डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन है, तो x will be greater than a raised to 0. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So x will be greater than 1. चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
तो हमें ये पता होना चाहिए. Again I am saying x2 greater than x1, then a raised to x2 will be greater than a raised to x1 if a is greater than 1. 0 to 1 mein inequality will change. That's why when I'm saying a is greater than 1, then the inequality will never change, because if log of x to the base is greater than 0, x can be written as greater than a raised to 0 straight away. No equality of changing. No changing inequality. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
No changing inequality even here. But here we will change the inequality. Here we'll change inequality because a is between 0 to 1. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, now come here. x2 greater than x1. And of course, suppose somebody tells you a is greater than 1. So I can say log of x2 to the base a will be greater than log of x1 to the base a. Same sign will remain. Log apply के same sign will remain because base between what is greater than 1. हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
And it's an increasing function, तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But 0 to 1 के बीच में होगा तो inequality will change. Very nice. Same logic is applicable here too. If your a is more than 1, then x2 can be written as greater than a raised to x1. Inequality will not change. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
But if a is between 0 to 1, then the inequality will change. But remember now, when you write this, people forget what? What should be the minimum value here? Greater than 0, हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि एक्सपोनेंशियल वैल्यू का जो भी वैल्यू होता है वो जीरो से शुरू होगा, हाँ क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So this is your answer. Now these all result that you see kids, आप और एक बार रिवाइज करना. मैं रिकॉर्डिंग भेजने वाला हूं आपको. एटलीस्ट लेक्चर का लास्ट पार्ट और एक बार देखो, इसको ठीक से रिवाइज कर लो, ग्राफ थोड़ा देख लो, क्योंकि आगे के जो सम्स आने वाले हैं ना, they are based on this inequality only. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
You would have observed, kid, in my normal board class, in my normal 11th class, I did not discuss about these guys, na kids?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि वहां जरूरत ही नहीं थी. जहां जो जरूरत है वहां पर उतना ही करेंगे ना, हाँ कि नहीं?
Sir.
ये सब चीजें तो जेई में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं वो बोर्ड्स में जो लेवल है वो लेवल नहीं होता. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
बोर्ड्स का लेवल बहुत ही सॉल्विंग टाइप है. जस्ट सॉल्व करते लो, जस्ट रिमेंबर सम फॉर्मूला एंड जस्ट सॉल्व इट. जेई में बहुत ज्यादा इंट्रोस्पेक्शन होता है. इज इट ओके? आप जेई आर्किटेक्चर ले लो, सीटी ले लो, सीटी का लेवल भी ऊपर आ गया है, मणिपाल ले लो, आईआईटी ले लो, उनका लेवल का इंट्रोस्पेक्टिव लेवल है, तो आपको सोचना पड़ता है. इज इट ओके किड्स?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to share this PPT with you people, PowerPoint today?
Yes, sir.
तो मैं पूरा
Yes, sir.
पूरा PowerPoint आपको आज शेयर कर देता हूं. मुझे एक मैसेज कर देना तो मुझे याद रहेगा. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है, एक मिनट. या तो आज के लिए इतना था. एक मिनट.